Don't jump on it, Jeff.
Easy. Slow down. Slow down. There you go.
Okay, come on.
Slow down. Slow. Easy. Easy. Why is your shoulder moving too?
Neat circle. Okay. Neat. Okay, wait, Zeffy. Can I pause it?
Yeah. The cross button, right by the home button.
Because he's like moving his leg to the.
Whoa.
You gotta keep your.
Same as his
foot-
arm, his shoulders, even his tongue is
like,
rotating.
his foot is like moving to the middle of the thing. That's why.
Yeah,
Zach,
there's a
you
lot of
gotta
motion
make
in the
sure
ocean,
that it doesn't move. Okay. Wait, hold on, Zeffy. Put this. Put it right here.
Don't stomp on it, Jeff.
There you go. Sit there. Okay, let's try it again.
Keep your feet and don't move your feet.
Don't move your feet at all.
Just your hips.
Not your shoulders, just your hips.
Like this, right?
Yeah, just like that.
Slowly though.
Don't move your feet. You're gonna lose if you move your feet. Okay.
Slow down. There's no point in going fast. It won't go faster than what you're doing.
Okay, bigger.
Bigger. Bigger circles.
Bigger. There you go.